Hey friends, every recommendation I'm about to give has been verified here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your Ford suddenly throws the dreaded 4W fault service required message, the first thing to know is that it doesn't automatically mean your 4WD is broken. The system just detected something unusual and went into precaution mode, basically saying, hey, something's not right with the four-wheel drive, but you can still drive carefully. Now, many mechanics notice something interesting. The vehicle often keeps running more or less normally even with the message active. That gives us the first clue. It's not always the transfer case or the differentials. Many times it's an electronic issue that confuses the car's brain. This brings us to suspect number 1, the speed and AWD and 4WD system sensors. Some mechanics report that replacing an axle or transmission sensor solved the problem. Basically, the car was getting crazy data and thought there was a bigger issue when it was really just erratic sensor information. If the sensors check out, the next logical step is inspecting wiring and harnesses. Many mechanics say that cleaning and securing connectors, or even checking for corroded wires, made the message disappear. It's amazing how a loose pin can make your Ford think the 4WD is broken when all it really needed was a firm connection. Another recurring factor is the battery and voltage. Yes, it may seem odd, but a weak battery can confuse the electronic modules and trigger error messages, including the 4WD warning. Some mechanics noticed that replacing or charging the battery stabilized everything and the warning disappeared without touching the transmission. Now, if after checking sensors, connections, and the battery the message persists, it could be something more serious in the AWD and 4WD control modules. Some mechanics had to replace the control unit or repair the main harness to get the system working correctly. This is more technical and costly, but necessary if the simpler fixes don't work. Finally, there are cases where the fault is intermittent, and the message only appears sometimes. Turning the vehicle off and on, or even doing an electronic reset with an advanced scanner like FORScan can make it disappear temporarily. This shows that it's not always a mechanical problem. It often comes down to how the modules interpret the data.